showing off. Don't wanna have to wait tonight. Wait tonight. Bets are off. I'm gonna find my way tonight. Wait tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrow. Won't you talk to me?
Hey guys, right at the moment I'm standing in front of an awesome viewpoint. You can see it at my back, and this viewpoint you would get it from Lumshinna cave, which is famous for fossils and waterfalls that flows near the cave. So let's quickly go ahead and get into the cave and see how amazing it is.
Faster.
Right now I'm sitting at the end of the cave, and this cave is huge. I have never experienced such a dense cave ever in my life. So if trust me, this the other cave which Bon was telling me, it's nothing as compared to this. So if you are in Shillong, do visit this cave. Trust me, you would love it. And this experience of a dense dark cave with water flowing inside is one of the best of the experience. I will go back now and we'll go out and I will let you know more about this cave, guys. Till then, keep watching. I am out of the cave right at the moment. It's indeed one of the best thing I have ever seen in my life. It's huge, trust me, and it feels scary at times when you go inside. So I read there was a notice that was pasted outside the cave. I read it. It says that due to the acidic foundation and of the limestone, this cave was actually formed, and the fossils that were present inside adds up to the best thing about this cave. So that's what I said. In case if you are in Shillong, then do visit this cave. It's a no miss cave, and you would always have a dense feeling and a scary feeling too. So few more places that we are traveling now. Right at the moment I'm very hungry, even last time also, but we didn't find too much good places to eat. But I guess we have a restaurant here, so we will eat in the restaurant and then we'll move to one of the famous waterfall in Meghalaya. So let's quickly, and the second highest in the world, of course I said, sorry, in India. Oh, okay, the second highest in India. So we'll move on to that, and once I go there I'll tell you more about it. Till then, keep watching, guys. Right at the moment I'm in Nohkalikhai Falls, which is the second highest waterfall in India, and it's really amazing. Unless and until you see it, you would not be able to believe it. The scenic is awesome. So without wasting much time, let me show you how it looks like. Nohkalikhai Falls, we are heading towards Seven Sister Falls. It's already dark. I don't know whether I would be able to see it or not, and if I don't see it, so this is an indication that I must come back again, and I would surely come back. Unfortunately, I couldn't see anything out here in Seven Sister Falls. I am heading towards back to Shillong now. Should take another 1.5 hours to reach Shillong, and it was an amazing trip. So with this I am signing off for today's vlog. So I hope you enjoyed my vlog for Cherrapunji, and in case if you like it, do not forget to subscribe my channel so that I can bring you more travel videos.